Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Barul Siddiq, NPM 2011040465. I'm class 1B English Education. In this video, I will final test pronunciation practice. A successful English school should, in particular, have learners speak English accurately and fluently. Must English course 3 to split to language learning into 4 skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Which is okay if you do many years to dedicate to learning the language. However, if the student can demonstrate a good grasp of the speaking skill, that student will usually have good ratio with the other skill. Therefore, the most important concept for the language learning and the teacher is that the student must speak English and communicate along the lesson. In order for the teacher to help the student make progress, here are some must provide opportunity for the student to speak. In turn, the teacher must also speak clearly and listen attentively to what students say. Okay, that's sad. What does pretending have to do with speak English effectively?
The term language has many different meanings. Listen. The systematic creation and usage of symbol and sound is an essential modification of language. Each of these factors, the symbol or alphabet, and the corresponding sound is regulated through social convention differing from language to language.
Many languages use sound which try to correspond to their alphabet. For example, in the Italian language, spelling and pronunciation go hand in hand. Consider the word
Parlare, animale, medicina, Italiana, they all contain the letter I, which is always pronunciation in the same way. Now, consider some English words. Mark, make, man, machine. They also contain the letter I of where a spelling is consistent. But what about the pronunciation? Mark, make, man,
machine. There are a total of 4 R's, but 3 are pronunciation differently. The International Phonetic Association (IPA) pursued his creation a series of symbols, the phonetic alphabet, which we can use to indicate precisely the pronunciation of this word.
a symbol represents on and only on sound, and I wish to dots after it's a long sound, as in our first word mark. The vowel sound of make is actually a double vowel or diphthong make, and is represented by a composite symbol make. Man constant a vowel sound that we are transcribed with a sort of curriculum symbol man. And finally, the I in the word machine is pronounced as very weak in distinct sound by a upside down e machine.
Another problem for learners is that many letters in the spelling of English words are not pronunciation art.
Consider our word make. The E at the end is silent, so it does not appear in the transcription. Something similar happens in the word mark. Though this might come as a surprise if you're from Scotland, Ireland, the US, or Canada. The R in this word is not pronounced in the conventional pronunciation that is reflected in usually British transcription mark. Consider this word, the noun see, as in the Mediterranean Sea, the verb to see, and the name of the letter C, or a musical note, as in middle C. These words are pronounced exactly, therefore they have the same phonetic transcription, even though the spelling is quite different. Some more examples are the verb to be, the honey making insect bee, and the second letter of the alphabet. Also a musical note B, aqueous tea that you drink, a tea that a golfer uses, and the letter used in spelling that's what T. As you can see, the phonetic symbol for the vowel sound in all of this is what is in I follow it by 2 dots.
Some letters found in the spelling of word become superfluous in the phonetic transcription. For example,
The letter X, as in fax, is really a combination of the two sounds K and C, fax, and the letter K following by U, as in queen, is transcribed into phonetic by K and W, queen. A HC, as in care, is transcribed with a K, care, but a soft C, as in sand, is represented by NC, sand. Some combination of the letter in the spelling, such as PH, SH, and CH, actually represent a single sound. For example, the PH of peace has the sound of an fish. And by the way, notice how the S in this word is transcribed. Some words are represented by symbols that do not correspond to normal letters of the alphabet. The initial sound of the word sheep, for example, is represented by a sort of starhead out as sheep. For CH is in sheep, within a combination symbol that begins with a T, sheep. Now let's examine a complete transcription of one of our first example word, machine. Only the initial M and the final N are normal letters of the alphabet. The three phonetic symbols in the mid may still look a bit strange to you, but the sound they represent are perfectly familiar. Machine.
I hope that I have been able to demonstrate how a phonetic transcription can be used to indicate precisely the pronunciation of English words, and also to show you some of the ways that the transcription can differ from the actual spelling of the word. Always been in made, however, that the transcription we use reflects just on variety of English, which mostly does not correspond 100% to the way any of us actually speak.
So, we don't use it because the phonetic alphabet private teacher and student with a single common point of reference that we call use for the complicated business of teaching and learning English.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.